Hey fam, Tecno Spark 20 was launched a few days ago, and I just have some pretty interesting things to talk about in this video. And I just feel the phone is actually something worth to make a video about. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys to the channel. It's your boy Dominic here again, and right now I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Spark 20. First of all, let's talk about the design and the build quality of the Tecno Spark 20. The Tecno Spark 20 strikes a balance between durability and style, weighing it at around 190 grams with the plastic back and also the glass front. I mean, it's actually pretty cool for, a budget or mid-range phone like this. This phone comes in with a 6.6 IPS LCD display with a resolution of 90 Hz, and the Spark 20 is kind of like a phone that would actually have a smooth display. I mean, it's quite decent with the 720 by 1612 pixel resolution. This one is actually running on Android 13, baked in with HiOS 13 also, and also fueled with the Mediatek Helio G85 processor, which is, an upgrade comparing its predecessors. The Tecno Spark 20 ensures a responsive and efficient user experience with configuration offering 8GB of RAM thanks to MEM fusion or virtual RAM, as others may actually call it, with the 128GB internal storage or the 256GB internal storage. Storage shouldn't be a big deal. The camera setup boasts of a 50 megapixels main camera which captures pretty much cool pictures and videos with ample lighting, and it's actually capped at 2K resolution. Same with the front-facing camera also, it's actually capped at 2K resolution, which is actually 32 megapixels camera. It actually comes in with two speakers, one at the down, which is the main speaker, and also one at the top, with a 3.5mm headphone jack Type-C, which is OTG enabled, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi, and also GPS are all available. Powering this device is the 5000 mAh battery, which is quite the new norm. With the 18 watts fast charging, it can actually charge your phone to a complete charge from 0 to 100% at around 2 hours 30 minutes thereabouts. It actually has a side-mounted fingerprint baked in, which is quite responsive. In conclusion, this one actually delivers a compelling package, compiling a vibrant display, great battery life, great performance, and also a good camera system. It's actually cool if you ask me. So yeah, what are your thoughts on this particular smartphone? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and also follow for more tips like this. Subscribe for more tips like this and also videos like this. Stay tech savvy, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.